In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Return of the Rat by the Wipers off the Is This Real record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And also leave a comment. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see next. And here we go. All right, so the song's rhythm is mostly power chords. It starts off with an A power chord, and this is basically how the intro goes. Real slowly, it's basically an A power chord. Then you're going to go up to a C power chord. Then you're going to go to a G power chord. And you're going to lift your index finger off the root note to do that kind of stutter part. So again, it's slowly. And then when we go into the verse, it's basically the same part, except there's like these little accents. It's hard to tell if it's overdubbed because there's two guitars, or basically there's two guitar parts being overdubbed here. But if you want to kind of play it to sound like the record with one guitar, you can do it like this. And basically all you're doing is you're playing those three chords again. And then you're going to play like these two notes together. So it's on the 5th fret of the D and G strings to the 4th fret of the D and G strings. And you can play it like I like to play with my ring finger to my middle finger because it's kind of in that position when you're playing that chord. So for the chorus, it's more power chords, and it goes basically like this. And then there's like an accent part, so. And that's basically, you're gonna play your index finger on the 12th fret of the A string, and your ring finger on the 14th fret of the G string. And you're gonna mute that D string with your first finger, so you can kind of bridge it over. And you can see when you play it, you're gonna play the A string, mute the D string, and play the G string. So again, it's. And then it goes into this bridge, which is, again, power chords. And, again, that part is. And what Greg Sage does is he plays basically like a normal power chord. You would play like either 2 notes or 3 notes. But he plays it as a 4-note power chord, which is almost a major chord. So you're gonna be playing all 3 of these notes. I'm sorry, all 4 of these notes. On the C and D chord, the last 2 chords. So it goes. And it kind of gives that kind of that unique sound. So again, it's. And then it goes back into the verse. So after we go through the verse and chorus again, we go into the solo. And it's a really cool melodic solo based in the key of A. And so it starts off with this kind of held note. So it goes. And basically you're gonna do these 2 notes pull off. So. And then it goes into these like Chuck Berry bends. So. And then it does this different phrasing again with these 2 notes. And I like to bridge my first finger over the B and E strings on the 5th fret and my ring finger at the 7th fret, and it goes. So the next part goes. And then he does these bends like with your index finger and your middle finger on the 5th fret, which sound really cool. So the lead up to that point is. So then you're going to slide up. I like to use my middle finger on the 19th fret. So you're going to slide up to the 19th fret on the D string. And then you're going to do this kind of walk up. So, and then it's basically Chuck Berry bends with your index finger on the 15th fret of the B string and your middle finger on the 17th fret of the G string. So. And then there's going to be this kind of descending pattern. And it's not straight time, it kind of ad-libs a little bit, but so that part through. So real slowly again. So after that, it ends with this series of kind of descending patterns. So it starts with this. So it goes like this. And then the next one starts with your index finger at the 7th fret of the G string, and it goes. So again. And then it repeats this last one, I think 3 times, and it goes like this. That last one real slowly. So that's it for the solo. Then it goes back into the verse, and which is basically the same until the very end. And what it does is it raises the key. So it goes. And then it goes up a full step, so 2 frets. But the chord progression is a little different. So instead of going, it goes. So again. And then it does a major chord, a major G chord. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll your pinky onto the 5th, to cover up the 5th fret of the G string, instead of playing the 4th fret. So it goes. One more time. Real slowly so you can kind of see what my pinky's doing. So that's it for this one. I hope you liked this lesson. Remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And leave a comment, what you like, what you didn't like, and any suggestions for future videos or anything else you'd like to say. And I will see you guys next time.